dragon train. I need a train. Albert's over there killing it. It's a slot machine.
Hey, buddy.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do your 250 bet. I'm gonna go to a lower bet. Okay, time to bonus. I need some luck. Come on, Dragon Train. I'm a big fan. Do it, do it. Oh, where's mine? I wanted that train. I need a lot of gold nuggets and a train. Don't be the dud machine in the group. Come on, gold nuggets. Oh, you did 5. Where's the 6th? Come on, 6 of you. With a train. You could at least give me free games. Oh my gosh, 5 again. And there's our slacker. Hey, where's my bonus? Keep teasing me with the train. No, don't do it. Give it to me. I think the green dragon is our bonus symbol. We keep getting 2. Oh, something needs to happen. I need some excitement here. Dragon train. I need some affection from you. By that I mean big wins. Well, we can't get that 3rd bonus symbol. I won't say can't. We're gonna get that. Come on, we're gonna get it. We're gonna think positive. We're gonna get free spins. We're gonna get the gold nuggets and the train in it. Hey, that looks good. Look at that. Thank you. I love my coins. Thank you. More, please. But you need to give us a bonus so we can finish the video on a high note. Preferably a train bonus. Ooh, I see the bonus symbols up there, darn 'em. one more. We got it. We got 4 bonus symbols. How about the golden nuggets of the train, please? More sticky reels, lots of sticky reels, and then I need to get the money in them. Oh, come on. I need money. Money, I got it. I got it. I got the major. Thank you. We got the major, guys, and a 250 back. How about that? 250 back. Now let us get, we already have a big win. Let's get the train too.
Kidding me?
I'm not. 250 back. But I want the train, Albert. I want the train. Where is that? Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Wow, nice. Is that on the trigger? Major?
Yes, but it was free spins. So I didn't know if I was going to get those because I had those sticky reels. I am pretty thrilled. This is my last spin, though. Oh, okay, it's not. All right. Where's that? Where's the choo-choo? I need a choo-choo.
The first brand on YouTube.
I wish, Albert. I think I'm lucky enough I got the major, right? Okay, we got a major.
We got 3 more games left. Great. They still lock in place, right?
I don't think so.
Or the ones that were there initially, I think, right?
We'll see, I guess, because I didn't know that. Well, I got my big win, so I'm happy. Dragon Train's been good to me. That hand pay and this, yeah. That major sure was a shocker. Okay, here we go. What else can we do? I forgot. Oh my god!
One lucky Dianaevoni in the house. Be sure to comment what's been your favorite part about this game so far. Diana would love to hear what you got to say about this game in the comments below.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Get another major. Come on, get the train.
I would love a train. Come on, train. Choo-choo. I need my train. Come on. Might be the end. Yep, it's the end this time. I wore it out. Yeah, I did. But we have 2 more spins. Who knows? It could. There's 2 more spins. We could get a 3rd time. No. Yeah, I love the game, guys. I love Dragon Train, especially on a 250 bet. I mean, gosh, you don't have to bet big. This is the 3rd one. Can we get the train finally, please? I want to show you the train. Okay. We could still get a train. Maybe not. Okay, thank you. Beautiful bonus. Smack it! Smack it! Smack it! It is. It's a fabulous bonus. Thank you. Yeah, I was betting 250 because of Albert. Albert was betting 250 and doing well.
After him and I came back and
yeah. Well, we're going to get a few more spins, but you know I like to cash out at 1,000. Maybe I'll surprise you and cash out before that. So we like that green dragon. I had 4 of them. I really love this game, and I am playing with my own money, everybody, and it was fun. And I even have something fantastic to show you, but that's going to wait for a few days. At least I thought it was fantastic. It was a better one than this. And I'm going to also, after this, show you another session that wasn't quite as good. It's a brand new game. Peppermill has it first before anybody in the United States, so I thought you would like to see more of how it plays. So enjoy, and yes, let me know what you think of it. Well, yeah, but you didn't see what the train does when you get it. Of Albert. Oh, we're getting 5 now. I guess all those bonuses were too much for the game. And we have a meeting, so I have to stop. Yeah. I owed all to Albert because he inspired me to do 250.
I don't know exactly what she means by that.
No, it was... I
step away and she hits the main...
I think your 250 bet you were doing was lucky for me because I don't usually bet this. I'm going to have to start betting lower. Hey, darn it! I've been getting 5 a lot. We're doing great, but I did want to get a train for you guys, but we do have a meeting, so I'm going to have to cash out. That's why everybody's hanging around. Yeah, come on, baby. One more time. One last time. Oh, one more. Oh.
You know, yesterday when I was playing, I didn't know that was the bonus symbol.
Oh, you didn't?
Wait, there's no free games on there.
Okay.
I just didn't get it, yeah.
I had 4 of them to start out with. Coming up to our last bet. This is it. Cashing out with 1,002. We start out with 200. Thank you, Albert. Thanks, everybody. Good luck. Have fun. Dragon Train. Played this earlier today and had a bonus in the train. Let's get another one. The one I played was Sunshots. Let's see what we can do on this one. I could do a 250 bet, but let's do $5. Peppermill and Reno has an exclusive on this temporarily. We were very excited to be the first ones to play it. I'm not quite sure how long they have the exclusive, but if you're excited to play this game, come to Peppermill and Reno. Bonus me up. Come on, Dragon Train. Bonus up. Money with a train. Oh, where's that money with the train? definitely want the Dragon Train. Really helps your bonuses. Maybe I should switch to a different denomination. Oh, darn you. Don't tease me, train. Oh no, we're short one. What was up with that? That horse is neighing a lot. How about winning a lot? Well, is that my best win? It might be. Might be my best one. Now bonus me up. Come on. Ooh, that would have been a nice one. Come on, I need 6 big numbers. Oh, really? That was sad. Where's my train with money? Oh, darn you. Well, that's my bonus symbol, but I don't necessarily want free games. I want the train with money. Didn't work out too good. Wager saver, do it. Bonus. Okay. Is this the lucky 100? We're gonna give it another 100 and hope. Oh, that. Bonus appears with the train. Come on, Dragon Train. Show me what you got. One more. Yes. Lucky 100 gave us free spins. Now if it's a really lucky 100, give us the bonus. Oh, okay, maybe don't get the train on this. Plus nudging wilds. Okay. And we get none? Where's the money? I have a re-trigger, good. I know I'm gonna need it. Come on, lucky 100. I need the money. Now this game, you can get more than 1 gold nugget. Yeah. I've seen it have 4 when someone else is playing. Money. Or another re-trigger. Oh, see what I talk? Come on, money. Darn you. That hurt. Oh, we got it. We got money. Thank you. train, please. Oops. Come on, train. Choo-choo. How about a progressive? Uh-oh, is this the end? No, it's not. Train. I saw a jackpot thing go flying by. Thank you. Yeah, fill it up and give me that grand. Come on, you can give me one more. Train me. No train. I lost the dragon train. We have more spins. Maybe we can get it again. Thank you. Okay, we're not done with this bonus. Come on. More. Oh, too bad. That would have been so cool. Maybe you can re-trigger again. Come on, do it again. Oh, shoot. That would have been exciting. Bonus, thank you. Let's do one more spin. Oh, maybe we'll do more than one more spin. We're still on my lucky 100. How lucky is the 100? Okay, last spin. So I put a total of 300 in, but I got my money back and a little extra. So let's run away and come back and play another day. What do you think of Dragon Train? Cheers and good luck.
Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, click on one of these links.